See cucumbers that are ready to harvest, like 2 earlier. So I'm going to harvest them along with the tomatoes. So here's the trellis that we made a couple of weeks ago. Look at the corn. So this is the corn. Now I am going to harvest some tomatoes. Oh, the strawberry is ready. Let's harvest this one. And then moving on to here are the, and we need to plant this eggplant and squash, and then we have mint here. And for now, let's harvest the tomatoes. These are the tomatoes that we got from Tomato Mania. So this is sungella. But that is almost on the ground. Is the stalk. And I want to cut the green one. This one. Another one ready here. This is Siberian red. So this is the terminate. So it stays like small. I need to fix it because it's on the ground. But there is a fruit that is ready in here. This one. This one. This is the first tomato harvest of the season. There are more tomatoes that are ready, so we can make a salad like this. And then we have more cucumbers over there. So this one is lemon blush. This is lemon blush. Look at how pretty. Oh, these tomatoes are so gorgeous. This one too. Oops. A little bit orange in the bottom. So we have all these tomatoes. So this is the Siberian red, the lemon blush, and then the sungella. Let's look on the other side. Gorgeous tomatoes. Now we have we're harvesting some summer vegetables. There's one here that is also, I need to prune some of them, a lot of vegetable that leaves already. So in here, this is the terminate, that's why it's like really small. Oh no, the other one is already on the ground. It's like buried on the ground. I cannot use it anymore. Oh, because it's like very small. So I probably need to move this on a pot. This one is ready. What? Yellow too. It seems like the yellow tomatoes are the ones that are ready first. I need to remove this because it's not like, I think the bottom portion is like super wet. All these like branches are inside the cage like that. I need to prune all these leaves. So they spend energy producing fruits instead of supporting those like leaves. Let's harvest some of these peppers that are ready too. Look at this. This is big. This one too. So I harvested 2. I think there are more strawberries that are ready. Let's look for like strawberries. I see one that is ready here too. This is sokolades. This is sokolades. Tomato, cucumber, strawberry, and pepper harvest. I have air chilled organic chicken wings here, which I'm going to marinate on lemon and lemon zest, salt, black peppercorns, and a Knorr liquid seasoning. And then I'm going to air fry. And then I'm going to add sea salt, black peppercorns, and then this one, Knorr liquid seasoning. Let me wash the chicken first. And then I'm adding garlic powder. And then just marinate this for like 2 hours. The chicken wings have been marinated and time to cook them on the air fryer. Let's do roast, match cook, and then maybe increase it to 30 minutes. And then temperature would be, let's do temperature would be 390. There you go. I need more lemon for the dressing, the salad dressing. We're eating the chicken wings with salad. This one is ripe. So here's the lemon. So it's done. Let's check. Oh, looks very yummy. Look at this. Making a salad. I just need to make a dressing. Some lemon zest. This is the lemon from the garden. And then juice of half a lemon. I just use half. We ran out of mustard, so I'll just use salt and honey. Honey and olive oil. And then olive oil. So on this one, I'll add these are all from the backyard garden. So I'll add and they've been washed. So the cucumber first. And then the tomatoes. These are the first tomatoes of the season. Oh, this has like a super pretty color. Apparently we have a lot of like yellow tomatoes this season. Yellow and orange. This one too is like yellow. They're all yellow and orange. I love that one. Can't remember what it is. And then I think this is a lot already. I'm going to save this tomorrow for breakfast or for snacking. And the strawberry also from the garden. There you go. Here's our salad and here's our dressing and the chicken wings. Here's our chicken wings. Let's garnish this with like lemon. Here's our salad from the garden and then the chicken wings.